Hello student, today we are going to start with another important topic, that is Trojan horse. Okay, so Trojan horse, it is a program in which a malicious or harmful code is contained inside apparently harmless programming or data in such a way that it can get control and cause harm. It is get into a system from a number of ways, that is including web browser, through email, or with the software downloaded from the internet. So Trojan horse, just like as a what we can say that uh, just like as a something, what we can say that pop-up window which used to be appeared on the web browser, and just we just click on that. So simply that software or virus which used to be installed on your system, and what we can say that a Trojan horse may get widely redistributed as a part of computer virus. The Trojan horse do not replicate themselves, but they can be equally destructive. Yes, what is difference? Erase the overwrite or corrupt the data on the computer. It helps to spread other malware, deactivate or interfere with the antivirus and firewall. It allow remote access to your computer system to the hacker, upload and download file without the user knowledge. It gather email and address and use them for spam, slow down or restart or shut down the system, reinstall themselves after being disabled, disable the task manager or control panel, copy fake links to false website, display porn website, play sound videos and display images, log keystrokes and steal info such as password or credit card number. Yes, this is the difference between Trojan horse, viruses and worms. Trojan horse and worms, they can replicate themselves, but Trojan horse doesn't try to replicate. But Trojan horse is equally destructive, same as virus and worm. Now, backdoor. We will discuss the concept of backdoor in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.